शिल्पा, I know a lot of people may not believe, but एक secret that I think आपको सबके साथ share करना चाहिए about your relationship with Alpino and when it actually started.
Well, I think my reputation precedes me. People also by now know that I only invest in products that I will consume and that I will give my children and my family. So, Alpino's products definitely fall into that bracket. I'm not just an investor. Before this, I was a consumer. So, even before you approached me, and so when you approached me, it was timely that I felt people have faith in someone who's leveraging their name to a product. They have to have faith in that person first, and I think एक वो मैंने earn कर लिया है. लोगों का जो trust है, वो लोग जानते हैं कि मैं अपना नाम ऐसी जगह नहीं डालूंगी जहाँ पे मैं खुद faith नहीं रखती. Also, what I like about you guys is the fact that peanuts के around पूरा brand खड़ा किया है आप लोगों ने, and the fact that the peanuts are grown in Junagadh. You know, so I love the fact that you all are also promoting the whole Make in India idea. अभी मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा बात कर ली, but I want to ask you a question कि why me? आप लोग मेरे पास क्यों आए? Endorse करने के लिए और invest करने के लिए?
Great. I think great question. So I would say obviously you mentioned that it is already in your home and you're already using, your kids are already using it. But one thing that has stuck, it has stick with us that so we were looking for somebody who is fun. And health के बारे में तो obviously everybody knows that you are the diva of the yoga. So we just wanted to find a combination of health and fun. And our positioning, the brand tagline is also making health fun. And Alpino is anything and everything around the making health fun. So you are the perfect fit.
Why don't you tell our audiences, how is it that you guys kept that spirit up? First, when you all started Alpino, COVID struck.
Yeah.
And then after that, when you all restarted, your entire factory got burnt down.
Right.
How was that? Why? What is it within you that made you believe that you wanted to continue with this brand after suffering so many losses?
It has started with the COVID, and right after COVID there was a fire, which has probably it was huge. It was something like that the company is never gonna continue. But probably the combination of the founders and the in-depth understanding of the founder is something that making us towards the ground, and that is what we believe, because from the starting point something was in us from the start that we just want to make this company very large that nobody can ever imagine, and that was the first idea. That is what we started with. And now you can see there are multiple founders is taking multiple roles. Fire, then actually Shark Tank. We have rejected it.
Oh, you rejected Shark Tank also. Yeah, you're right.
So and right after COVID, so we also lost the money twice. But something about our brand, about the customer, we have been seeing on the Amazon multiple reviews that customers loving products so much. And it is not just for India, but it has to be spread around the world. And probably I would say just the resilience of the founders, and now you as an investors as well.
You didn't want money from Shark Tank investors. You wanted money from me.
Not. So we wanted the money, but actually they were asking very low amount of the valuation. So that is why we have rejected it.
Yeah.
There's the good thing that a lot of brands are doing multiple products, breakfast items, snacking items, but the one unique thing about us is that everything is made out of
peanuts.
That is what
Yes.
Alpino is all about.
That definitely stands out as well.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes, I want people to try the product, and it's a product that has legs to stand on, and I don't have to say that अरे अच्छा है ये आप खुद बोलोगे जब आप टेस्ट करोगे.